सरकारी जावय जावन बशिल्ले आनी एकाच जाग्यार 10 ते 15 वर्सां आशिल्ल्या कितल्याशाच कर्मचाऱ्यांच्यो बेगीनूच बदल्यो जावपाच्यो आसात। येणावळ मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान जाहीर केला। येणावळ खात्याचें काम सुटसुटीत करपा खातीर आनी कांय मोठ्या बारीक अधिकाऱ्यांच्यो बदल्यो जातल्यो अशें मंत्री मोन्सेरातान सांगलें। कचेऱ्यांनी CCTV लावन मंत्री आनी खात्याचे सचिव तांचें काम पळयतले अशें मंत्र्यान जाहीर केलां।
Certain transfers we will be doing these days. So the moment these transfers basically happen, now there are people who have been promoted. Additional collector and all has been promoted, Sanjit and all. So we have got to make replacements there. So we are going to remove some transfers one of these days. So then the functioning of the department will start. थोडे ऑफिसांनी 10 वर्सां 20 वर्सां that some people have become like that good. So I think those people should start moving. So some right from LDC right from Pune. Basically all these people basically should be transferred for a smooth functioning. Some people whatever when they are there only in the thing, chalta hai that attitude is there. So that chalta hai attitude basically should stop. So third one should start functioning. This is a revenue department. We are going to look at, there should be no leakage as far as any revenue is concerned.